Fine.
Might have been my dad.
Oh.
By the way, the girls that we were fucking bringing to that party were dying.
You mean you guys in wigs?
Hmm?
The wig.
No, that was after they left. We have to improvise.
You guys ran out of bitches, so you put wigs on it.
You know what these fucking retards did? So there were two, and then one of them, because here parents are very strict, like fucking Arabs. They told, like, one of them told their parents they're going for a sleepover at the other one's house, and the other one did the same to this one. But they were coming with us, so we had to send them off back at like 6 in the morning.
Send them back.
I want in the back. What?
Okay, buddy. There's minors in this.
Ask me to. What did you ask me to do like 4 rounds ago?
I did what now?
You said something to me like 4 rounds ago.
What did I say? I shall not say such foul.
You will.
No, I don't.
Jay?
Yeah. Hola. Cute.
Why are you quiet?
That is demanding answers.
I hope there is a fucking spiked dildo being shoved up your ass by tonight.
What if I like it?
John, what? John, I need to mute her. I can't.
That's actually pathetic that you need to log in for an unrated game.
I need to mute you because you're making me laugh and I can't be loud right now.
That's sad.
I'm gonna get that dildo
You're living
off
with
my
your
ass.
parents in 19.
You're 2 years away from that.
Yeah,
I'm
2 whole fucking
transferring.
years.
I'm transferring
You trans?
soon. I'm transgendering soon, guys. Oh, just
What the fuck is that
There's a
laugh?
lot of research and time to try. Let's get this over with quick.
Go A.
Here.
Go A.
Give me
Sure.
the fucking spike, you bitches!
Okay.
Good boy.
Oh, don't
Why are
call
you
me
buying me
that.
sheriff? Get 2 fucking smokes!
Don't call me that. My ex called me good boy. No, I like to go sheriff.
You absolutely suck booty cheeks with the sheriff.
No, I don't. You're just
Reloading.
You suck
lying.
dick, okay? You don't suck
Who the
booty
fuck is
cheeks.
this guy you got me in a party with, John?
This guy!
Guy is absolute.
Wait, did I say? I thought I meant girl. I don't know you.
Charlie.
I don't know you.
All missiles away.
I'm skinny.
Did it? I hope you suck dick.
No peeking.
Bye.
Fucking useless duelist.
I hit her!
I hate.
Him.